And you see, no, Eja Ehuru MP party, this is a fire service, no, Bedum, because Obias on at this point. Obias on, Tias, and Chebia. And I'm probably say, Kennedy Agyapong, one casa, and the camp, or one casa, to be at the money Bawumia. Now, finally, Bawumia camp, Abba reply, Bawumia casa, but in the camp, Abba reply, Kennedy Agyapong. I hate Penyah block media, may as well say any deal. Obey like a video, not that my brother's car button, some back click verification, conflict, updates, number to the wide and their mamma, comments, I transfer Baswa, not for Penyah Biashe. So it was yesterday. Anna Kennedy Agyapong Agyapong ego pimo upper east ne hono as okoye campaign na the campaign no o kire no ba kumi men se bia oba obeye edema party no ene name obeye ma upper east for no ene ade.
My first aim is to move Ministry of Agriculture to Tamale, the center of the 5 northern regions. Why? Because you have vast arable lands that are not utilized. I want to utilize it. 2, I'm going to make Tamale Airport as a hub for cargo. Most of our products, fresh vegetables, carrots, and all those things, will go to European market within 5 hours. From 11 p.m. by 5 a.m., when the plane takes off at 11 p.m. from Tamale Airport, by 5 a.m. is at the European or UK market. Let's compare ourselves to Burkina. They are not angels. Why? This young man is transforming the country. If you go to Burkina, or the sound you hear is boom, boom, boom. It is not guns or ammunition. Just as you hear in Boko and...
Now, the case on to us one, I don't start attack be against Bawumia. Where any same or can
I've never seen a liar like our former flag bearer on earth. He's a liar. Said, Edubuahin, one contested because not Oyari. This man is a liar. Today, I tell you, he's a liar. You shouldn't vote for a liar. A man who is lying to have power. Wow. Won't hear the history. Edubuahin, occurred 1992. And we winning. And occurred general election. And we lose. 1996. The former black flag bearer, Ejine Kumasi, Kasena Edubuahin Yare. Kufuor contested Edubuahin in 1996, and Kufuor BT Edubuahin, Edebeye flag bearer. He was fighting to go on the post, and they did not agree. And we contested. I will pay power. We be abedi o mining now to be detro a distorted history. Say, Mesra Mamontu Abama, Bugamunian. Obia man in nickname so we're a liar. More than a bar, we're a liar, and the people are not going to vote for him. He's not a trustworthy person. When I heard him yesterday saying that, I said, what? A presidential candidate who wants people to vote for him will look eyeball to eyeball and lie. He's a big liar. Men ma ka kira monne, we're a liar. So Timiko General said na Edubuahin Yare. Wow. Timesram, Edubuahin was contested by Kufuor. And Kufuor BT, you know. Edibeye, Munko check history. In the mama to 2 new second chance. Many are told me. I am more popular than him in this country. I'm telling you today, me am more popular than him. Who knows him? The only people, those who know him as a liar. And he continues to lie. That is why we lost. When to me economy who wants them be a digital, am I lose you? And you people that I'm talking to know why you didn't vote for him, because of the tribal conflict. The tribal conflict. And we lost the 5 northern regions. And he's lying, he said, oh no, when you're the highest vote. And Kufuor had 20 seats, parliamentary seats, and now we're 10. How can you say, when you're the highest vote? Mesrem. A trona papa ni di for power no di. Mudi agro ko ye mistake se mumia. Ye be say atena opposition. Ko Ghana ni di antroso no. Omo say tronko na wodi. A tron wodu Ashanti region. Why so desperate? He say a tronko na have the wodi. And why we want to win power. And if you want to win power, ask the Muslims themselves. They will tell you. say oko adum che ho e de yi kogu na nti yentoma no oko nungwa yomu shrine e de yi gu nsi yentoma no. The Muslims say it all the time. The Christians are saying yentoma no. So what are we saying? Do we want to lose power? When these same Muslims say bring Kennedy Agyapong, Christians are saying bring Kennedy Agyapong. And you are not catch it and say, what is Zongo, Muslim, nothing votes, remember. What happened in the north? And you are aware, you are the very people more witness say his brutality. I have to tell you the truth. What you say? In this hour and Trona or Nam Didieno and no Kurabemo will lose election. Tibunya Bo, Namun Tuabama Kennedy Agyapong. Near Manukure and Nedi, our Ghanaian politics. That's right. People in Boko Enkle, you know very well. The tribal conflict played a role for us to lose. Religious problems caused us because of him. He has to accept it. The boys home says he come me. I'm about to one young two mano or no go jina doom chain and a young two mano young go. They tell me all the time. They come to me. They tell me. And to one person kataso tribal conflict, any religious problems. It's a fact. And you are there. You experience it yourself. It is a trona will di country because he wants power. And yet you are. The messenger, Munya Gidi, say Ghana, you bet me a year. But the master, I mean, sure, Munya.
Meanwhile, some kid I can't, you know. And your bomb, I can't ask him. I chama won't to me, and I can't.
And young son in him, dear war. Nana Boko Semundi 1992, ye the Eura, Adubuahen. And ye then a coy, ye jitu Musaya Wene, and until your control stolen verdict. And the Yami MPs so anchor parliament. Nenumu Yaria County Pahon, Yadia ya. And until 1996. Aya ya running mates onwano nana senofa ne papa ne nana ana 96 ya twintonto ne kosi ni so yewura je ekufo ya de yewura je ekufo ko ye na wo hwe Bema Rollins wababa yeku 1979 wababa yeku 1981 na watena so saa kwakopim 1996 na one ne ko akansie ye ko ye ekoto abado na ye wuraje ekufo na wanya 39% na duru ba bi abrabomu sa wo hwe ase a na nya wie ya no no abrabomu sa wo hwe ase a na nya wie ya no no, especially in politics when you fail in the elections, it doesn't mean say it's the end of your political life. It's a young Raja Kufone Yamra Yasama Yahono. It's a say, Ukom Premier Nua Untimin Kobiu. It's a young Raja Kufone Rollins Sequoia Unya 39%. No, not just a lesson 2000 no on Kobiu.
But me name how a video no, it's got to Kennedy Agyapong. But on the target Bawumia, Emoye Bawumia Chatro, Momon Tomano. Delegate moment because I can't live in this neighbor trouble. Moment to man, more money say, more money say, more money say. I'm okay, send baby. I'm at the end of the day, no, so I can't at once even say delegate to man. Next about me camp, emergency or month to or no Kennedy Agyapong in the general election on found. He will still win. He knows how to win. Ah, my God was honorable any year, my way say 2020. Akufo-Addo winning with 6.7 million votes. 2024. Bawumia 4.6 million. Okwati Bawumia vote if Akufo-Addo mo unya in general election 2020 ni mo a. 2.1 million interval. Next ni vote Lucy by 2.1 million. Mahama enya addition of just 100,000. But Bawumia vote also better 2.1 million. Meaning say vote na Akufo-Addo enya in 2020 no. Say Bawumia enya that same vote and Kobe in 24 election. Ko Mahama vote me still bury in it. Ko bury over Mahama, ko bury in it. Because 6.7 million over Mahama cry enya 6.3 dia ka still ka Bawumia bury in it. Meaning say oh MP for na Antwaba. MP for na Antwaba, MP for na ga say Antwaba. Enya performance asem. MP for no o man Antwaba no. O man Antwaba Bawumia. And even o man to cry no. Bawumia was able to pull 4.6 million. The fans on the Bawumia camp, the supporters ever Ghana Hanamo, 4.6 million from the NPP. Yet free vote to Akufo-Addo Imua, just 2.1 million. We believe say about Kennedy Agyapong. And only a Kennedy Agyapong is a Kennedy Agyapong say 4.6 million we no or more pomoka say more month man so very near all the how many kwa win. All the him. And this for also na do go ko win and say why na do go win here. And this for there o also ye be boa am what destroy wa party na general election obo isu wa won sem e dey betwa wati ma. Na busia sounds when about Kennedy Agyapong e no ana Bawumia camp no about bear price another on premier nyadi mu ntima o ma be reply and my Kennedy Agyapong.
Either Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia distorted history or not. Me NPP no. And some people 92, 96 na moban ye bi ni susua, but we've grown to learn. We've grown to learn. So whether Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia distorted history about a Dubois or not. Muntiasemi. Nipa ni bia your margin say it's either they win and as a party ni begu. Muntiasemi. So if today, but this is the first time I'm saying this about Honorable Kennedy Agyapong. I think this will be the last. Me cannot say me. Openly in your podcast, Kennedy TV, then you come out to say, "Yeah, to the dean, he's a liar or you're a liar. You want to be a president, you're a liar." Honorable, Adabraka, Munyabotre, you don't do that. I'm not talking about what he said. Said me, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia video no cry share. But what I'm tackling is what I'm talking about is, please, either Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia distorted history or not. Please, one summer will canon and the live podcast is a liar. And when you bring the anger what they cast no, I'm a miracle seriously. Now say I'm a football basso Kennedy Agyapong if I dimina or Kasakama. Now where is you the free boom? And the answer Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia distorted history. Tell us what you would do as a president. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia goes around telling people what he wants to do. The only time Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia hit back at Kennedy Agyapong was when he said, people are saying they have money, we have ideas, and we are the same. Wasn't for so moves, your ideas. But when you come, you are a liar. Yes, you are a liar. Go for me, so you are a liar. No cry. When now would be the president? No. And let's say, in a likely or unlikely event, should we say, young fan said, Kennedy Agyapong, NPP is a about to win when we ube free mana. Ube free. And to ube wamubia, young fan say, I cannot Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia winia. Would you be able to campaign for Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia? Are you sure? Kennedy Agyapong. Would you be able to campaign for Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia? And you even think they say, Samusu Kwana se winia, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, ebetunya a campaign amount. Honorable Dabraka. Once a month, the was say can the anode no. Please. Ebi anase why you say NPP no see a 2 hour witness we are. Ube free mudia and you fair. Now the way the emsa about the corner sa we are NPP no be free. Now we free mudia one summer was a in a he's a liar or a liar when no the president honorable Kennedy Agyapong when I would be the president no. We are sa na no babai. Atachi amon samo mekika ye emu bi ya kwakwa no kro munya botre mo party ni samo pese mudi nkunima munya bot ensem keka ne doso. Some of these things are for the boys enya mo mpanifu asabsab imprediasa and braka. And she said Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia kwa distorted history anu ye ni any life life way na connected and he's a liar. No, you don't do that. Ebia why we say party no be free. Na say who free mu dia. This is not the way to go. Please, this is not the way to go. As a matter of fact, we are Ghanaians.
I go by the name Nanaba the Traveler, a proud believer in the New Patriotic Party, and a proud believer in Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia. Yanshe mo bin twantro, engu party ne masi wo krom ha. Yanshe mo bin twantro, engu Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia hu krom. Dabi yampene. Ya papa Kennedy Agyapong. Some of us you respect you. So if we are saying something about you, we are very careful. Ya papa, u statement ababeda bontin say unhu obi a wo twa tro. Eti say papa Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia da. Oh wow. You have been shouting, ranting around, like ranting, just making noise. You say, why my party need $3 million? Why my party need say? Can you be bold and tell the innocent Ghanaian? Can you be bold and tell the grassroots, say, this is the amount of money that I have earned from the New Patriotic Party when they were in power? Can you tell them that? Sanya we bold. Etimi catch a party for say, my boy way 1 cedi, my boy party ni 2 cedi. No, say na one so when you free party nim, because you could draw. Yabo canoni yam faso. It is a wobo card ye de drew maybe yam faso or party nim. Party now 1 man $3 million. No, also when you say, because before you give 3 million, you know say you are expecting the $1 billion. Yeah, papa. You are doing your campaign. Some of us telling the innocent Ghanaians to say, some of us, it's nice to us. But young shep, for one no, and can't summer, you be defend your party, no, the young penny. Some of us, we respect you in the highest level. But young this year, young shama won't for one no can't sembi near 2028. We will find it very difficult. We will find it very, very difficult to defend those issues. Yeah, Papa, enough is enough. We want you to tell us how much money have you made in the NPP party? How much money do you when President Kufuor was in power? How much money did you get when Nana Danko Kufuor because Nana Danko Kufuor it's alleged say o ma won were hearing in a contract. Ain't he saying na wunyaye? Ye chechara manukuo ebi de omusika bewrem na ebi anya bi afrim na ebi aboka na wo de wonya sika wonka but wo de be deep amanyokuo na ema billions of dollars. Ye papa Kennedy Agyapong ye wo position 2016 ye hu na wo kwa Adom TV na wo sika do ba ye hu na nado danko Akufo-Addo ba ye hu improvement nso wo sika semu enti ye serew se wo anya bibia ma wa ase a me pacho enwu ne hu fi. So when you be the New Patriotic Party now, the food at 2 tables. So what the food at the New Patriotic Party in table, so you be at 2 tables. So it is rock 1 or 2. And you won't corner would you seek a party ni muda. You walk as if for be bromudo musika, a bimuton tonton mufie, a bimuton tonton majapadi, and the New Patriotic Party, a bimpo musika or mania. President Nana Danko Akufo-Addo was so kind to you, so bra, your patcho come 1 or 2. And Kofo be praying no mudo musika boa party no. What is saying this in meeting baby because me musika boa party no. Me musika boa party what is obi kebida. I don't know the kind of leaders how more your party no. Sometimes I like me feel very sad. Yeah, Papa Kennedy Agyapong. Yes, sir. Put your emotions somewhere. Put your emotions somewhere and let's do politics. Let's do intellectual politics. Put your emotion in your bedroom. We are tired. We are very, very tired of you. And young Kwana will do sika, and then young Kwanson I was NPP party, and one Kofo be bromu omu sika, and you are aware of them. And Kofo be NPP party, omu sika bo bra a chen, bomu kromon kasa, ya papa dear, one o fellow patriotic, and ma and eco primus. What me be one? Some say a former vice president of the Republic of Ghana. Now, we say nipano obe beat you hands down. Obe beat you hands down. Can you be comfortable? Be on a campaign platform with Dr. Bawumia. Yeah, Papa Kennedy Agyapong. Ubetimia ye comfortable. Ejina campaign platform so with Dr. Bawumia. Ubetimia ye comfortable. Ejina campaign platform so with Yamame Hawa Kumsen. Ubetimia ye comfortable. Ejina campaign platform so any NPP amanyoko ni ya papa. Send ye wabua NPP party no. Send ye wudu usika she party ni no. Party ni so ayo papa enti kanhunu. Party ni dimu wenya sika enti kaibi. And Kaidi won't go with the Abua party, the one free party, when you won't mean country. Said Dr. Bawumia, you can't company. Said Dr. Bawumia, we kushinidia, and you would try throw Dr. Bawumia. Because your papa Kobne, Agyapong said, Sa $3 million now, who claim say, what the my NPP party in 1992 no. Party no put the $30,000 money at your party in the court. So who did you give the $3 million to? We are tired of this. We are building a political party that tomorrow I will be comfortable and be on campaign platform and tell the innocent Ghanaians what Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia will do. We are tired of you, Papa. We are tired of your emotions. We are tired of your blackmailing. Ya bro. Hey, Rikwe, ya mo biam kasem boni for Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia. I just see you. Rikwe, ya mo biam kasem fee and for Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia. Oshana party ni wundi ni ya. You can resign peacefully. You can resign peacefully. At the end, I'll pay. Yeah, Papa. Sa yako 2024 primaries. What can some be? You need to mean defending some. Yes, sir. If you are going on campaign platform, leave your emotions in your bedroom. If you are going on campaign platform, leave your emotions in your bedroom. We are building a strong MPP, not division MPP, not MPP that Dimo Nyami cannot stand on campaign platform and talk for Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia. Dimo Fancy Comedy cannot stand on Mugabe. This your guy. Your friend say, oh, Mugabe or what? Onti Kennedy Ken Ba ain't campaign platform. So because of some of my for Dr. Bawumia. Yes, sir. Ya papa no. You boil to the highest level. Yes, sir. Emotions no. Eye janifi. Ne blan ye intellectual politics. Usu be nyuma. Dr. Bawumia ba was what the digitalization be changing the economy of this country. On also Kennedy, any attack. Any attack. Yes, sir. Ya papa. You need sound, but yes, sir. Emotions no. Jaitu fi. Why?
I think by now, as a political party, NPP for that matter, we should be apologizing to Ghanaians for having a character like this. Why have I said we should be apologizing to Ghanaians? We should be apologizing to Ghanaians because we have been able to qualify this kind of person to contest for our flag bearership. And the ultimate goal of this contest is for him to win primaries come 31st January and also win general elections in 2028 to be addressed as the first gentleman of the land. I think no Ghanaian will be happy having his first gentleman of the land addressing people in public like this. We should be apologizing to Ghanaians because this is the same person who sat on national platform to insult women, to insult pastors, to insult farmers, even to insult his own political party people, to insult his political party supporters, saying that they are fools, that he doesn't know why he belongs to that stupid political party. After all, we cleared him to come out to contest for the flag bearership. Let's come to analyze what he has said in the video. Kennedy Agyapong, with due respect, you are telling us today that Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia is a liar because there is speculation that he has said that Idubuahin stepped down or whatever for President Kufuor to go ahead. And for that matter, he's a liar. I'm not going to say anything about that. That one, I've left it to delegates who have been met by Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia because they have never been anywhere that he has mentioned that to the delegates. So if Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia is a liar, according to what you have said, you are a liar first, you are the liar second, you are a liar third before Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia when it comes to internal elections. One, you told us that you were the first person to contribute $3 million to the party in '92. After which, those who were leading the party at that time came out boldly and clearly to tell us that you have lied. You have never, and no one had contributed that kind of money to the party at that time. That's your first lies. The second lies has to do with you were telling Ghanaians that, or you were telling the party people that you were the person who used your pocket money to buy the pickups, the Tundra pickups that were given to the constituencies in 2016, which came out to be a lie, which came out to point out the fact that it was given to the party by a foreigner. That's the second lie. The third lie has to do with you had been telling people that you are the #1 contributor or you are the #1 financier of the party ever since its inception till today, which turned out to be a lie. So if Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia is addressed as a liar by you, then you are a liar before Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. In any case, if President Kufuor contested against Idubuahin in the second time and defeated him, he conducted himself very well. He comported himself as a person who can lead the party and can lead the country as a president. That's why he was given the nod. Speaking like this, without thinking before speaking, and you think we should give you the nod to lead the party, this is out of frustration. These are all attempts to make sure that he distracts the party before the primaries. He had done that in 2023, and the NDC used that against us during the 2024 general elections, and they have defeated us with that. He has started again, so that NDC will have evidence, and they will have videos, they have audios to play against Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia when he becomes the flag bearer, so that he's already giving NDC the campaign message, re-inquiring that Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia is a liar as speculated by NDC, which turned out to be a lie. Which turned out to be the fact that Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia is not a liar. He's telling Ghanaians and he's telling the delegates today that it was as a result of the mismanagement of the economy by Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. That's why we lost the election. That one to you have lied, because according to Stephen Amwa, he told us that Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia had done nothing wrong to the economy that caused our defeat. According to Abna Asari, she also mentioned that our defeat had nothing to do with the candidate, that is Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. It was rather based on the sentiments the grassroots had against the party. So it means even in this video, you are still lying to us. So if you are addressing Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia as a liar, instead of you to come out and counter with your facts, come out with the facts that will counter what has been said, speculated to have been said by Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. You are rather attacking his personality. We now understand that you want to destroy the party. You want to play the game, if not mine, then nobody. That's the game you want to play. And I'm, excuse me, I'm reminding and I'm sending this message to delegates that we urge you to select the person who can represent the party and be respected by Ghanaians, who will be accepted by Ghanaians, whose utterances will not be a penalty for NDC to defeat us in 2028 general elections. Let's be honest to ourselves. If a character like this leads the party come 31st January 2026, be honest to yourself. Will he be able to bring Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia and his team together? Can he do that? No. All those supporting Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, do you think he can unite them? No. And this type of person, do you think he will have someone to advise him not to say this at this time, and not to say this at this time? Do you think he has such a person? No. So don't bring someone who will be a disgrace to the country and be a disgrace to our party. So we are urging you to vote for Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia because he argues with facts. He doesn't argue based on emotions like Kennedy Agyapong is doing. We are urging you that support Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, endorse Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, vote for Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. He's number 3 on the ballot because he argues based on facts, not based on emotions.
Chirajo mame, comment section. Hi, Peter Block Media. Accra.